हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू द स्टूडियो। स्वागत आप सभी का यहाँ पे विद वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट अपडेट हेयर दैट इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट फॉर एवरीवन। सो फ्रेंड्स, वाई द फेमस MC सिंगला केस वाज डिसमिस्ड इन पंजाब एंड हरियाणा हाई कोर्ट। सो उसका यहाँ पे काफ़ी अच्छा डिस्कशन है। द पंजाब एंड हरियाणा हाई कोर्ट dismissed the MC Singla case on the following main grounds. First, no vested right for the updation. The court found that while the 1993 settlement mentioned framing rules for pension updation, this issue was not pursued in subsequent negotiations, and the final pension regulations approved did not include any provision for updation. Therefore, there was no vested right for the petitioners to claim pension updation at par with the Reserve Bank of India or the central government employees. Regulation 56 interpretations. The court held that Regulation 56, which allow reference to central civil service rules in case of doubt, could not be used as a basis for granting updation. So the court noted that there was no such doubt in the application of pension scheme that would necessitize invoking this regulation. Next, negotiations route advice. The judgment observed that petitioners could seek better rights through negotiations and collective bargaining as provided under the Industrial Dispute Act rather than through court interventions. So the court stated there existed no vested right now for petitioners to claim benefits in the manner sought. Division bench affirmed. So on appeal, the division bench agreed with a single judge, reiterating that neither clause 12 of the 1993 settlement nor regulation 56 established a right to pension updation, and that any such demand should be pursued through negotiation, not the litigation. So ये important है. Division bench affirmed on appeal. The division bench agreed with single judge, reiterating that neither clause 12 of the 1993 settlement nor regulation 56 establish a right to pension updation, and that any such demand should be pursued through negotiation, not the litigation. So, in summary, the Honorable High Court dismissed the case because the legal framework did not grant a statutory or contractual right to pension updation, and the court directed that such negotiation rather than the जुडिशियल इंटरवेंशन। तो यहाँ पे कोर्ट का जो फ्रेंड्स मानना था वो यही था भी पेंशन अपडेशन आप नेगोशिएशन के रास्ते के थ्रू करिए, बट नॉट थ्रू दी जुडिशियल इंटरवेंशन, दैट इज़ नॉट थ्रू दी लिटिगेशन। सो लिटिगेशन के माध्यम से आप पेंशन अपडेशन मत कीजिए, आप नेगोशिएशन के माध्यम से अपडेशन को फाइनल कीजिए। So these are the various plausible, I would say plausible assumptions or plausible ways through which the case has been dismissed at the Honorable Punjab and Haryana High Court. So please share this update maximum and subscribe to the channel, friends. Keep supporting and please like the video. Thank you.